Highway Patrol Group hopes to clear EDSA of vendors blocking parts of the thoroughfare. Rex Remisio takes a closer look at what the police unit plans to achieve on their second day of manning traffic.
It's the second day of deployment of the Highway Patrol Group. The unit's chief goal is to untangle the horrendous traffic on 6 choke points on EDSA. As early as 3 a.m., about 10 HPG enforcers cleared the sidewalks of Balintawak Market. Vegetable and meat vendors were ordered to vacate the 2 outermost lanes here.
Papatupad namin tungkulin namin bilang tagapagpatupad ng batas. Kung mali gagawin na, siyempre, arestuhin namin sila.
All vendors did as told, giving way to passing public and private vehicles. Some, however, are concerned about losing income as they don't sell as much if they're inside the market.
Hindi nabibili yung paninda namin, nabubulok.
The HPG, however, says the vendors must sacrifice for the greater good.
Okay lang, dahil nahirap na hirap kami pagka maraming sakyan dito eh.
Para malugi yung kalsada.
Police Chief Ricardo Marquez checked how his men are doing this morning. He says the presence of the HPG force made traffic flow smoother in Balintawak during the rush hour. That's good news for commuters, but some elderly folks complain that they now have to walk farther to get a taxi.
May edad na po kami, pagbubuhat po, na sana po nakakasakay naman kami.
Pwedeng magsakay, sabi niya, hindi naman bawal magsakay.
Kasi minsan, tulad, opo, mabilis lang.
Marquez admits the challenge is how to maintain the energy and consistency of his men as days pass by. He says the HPG will recruit and train more members in the coming weeks. Over the weekend, the group will also conduct a review and evaluation of the implementation of the traffic program. Marquez assures the public HPG personnel who abuse their authority will be punished.
If you cross the line, ibig sabihin na ayaw mo na magpulis. Gusto mo lang maging kriminal, dito ka, uulihin ka namin at we will put you in jail.
Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.
Motor expert